You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. And yes, I know many people get confused by it, so let's clarify it. There are different pronunciations depending on how the word is used. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. There are more pronunciation videos for you. As a verb, it's pronounced intimate. All right, so it's to having essentially sexual encounters or being really close to somebody. Intimate. Now, that's as a verb. As an adjective, it's pronounced as intimate. Intimate, as in an intimate relationship, for example. So the verb is to intimate, or the adjective intimate. And now you know. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.